What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are installing hair from Tinashe. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below, of course. So this color is the number 33. This is their air cap Glueless Body Wave. This is a 5x6 inch closure and 22 inches. So as you can see here, the lace is already pre-cut for you, and they have two combs on the sides, the elastic band right here, and then you have the two adjustable straps on the sides, and then also a comb at the back right here. And then as you can see, the inside of the wig is breathable, and this is what I'm referring to by the air cap. So really quickly, inside the box they give you this care kit. They give you a bag that has a whole bunch of goodies, such as this edge brush, a wig cap, some clips, a wig band, another wig cap, some lashes. You get that thing, bobby pins, and that's it. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just sliding off my cap here, and my hair is already smoothed back. Please ignore the front, but it's just in two big braids going to the back. So the first thing that I'm doing is taking my lace tint and I'm spraying just the inside of this lace, just so that it blends more with the complexion of my skin. You can use makeup to color that, but I'm just choosing to use my lace tint. And then I'm just going to take the wig band and I'm adjusting it, and I'm going to slide on the wig. Notice that I did not use a wig cap for this install. I typically do, but I decided, hey, let's not use a wig cap this time. Let's do it without. So I did it without the wig cap, and it was perfectly fine. Yeah, so now I'm just going through and adjusting the wig and making sure it fits comfortably on my head. I usually only use the comb in the back. And so now I'm just giving the hair a good shake to make sure it's sturdy and making sure that the wig is not going to fly off of my head, which, I mean, it's pretty sturdy. We all know it's like not going to go anywhere. Yeah, and the color is so pretty. So I can't wait to start styling it. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I decided that I want to do a side part for this install. Felt like I've seen so many middle part red hair installs from myself personally, so I'm like, let's shake it up a bit and put this part to the side. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just taking my comb and just like figuring out first and foremost where I want my part to go, and then to lay down my hair, I'm just going to use my wax stick, my Got To Be Free spray, and that hot comb, and that is going to keep this hair laying how I want it to lay. So the density of this hair is 180% density, and the closure itself has quite a bit of hair in it. So I have to go through and manually pluck my part so that you can see the part, because as you saw earlier, like, of course I like created the part, like, and shift my part to the side with my wax stick and stuff, but like you couldn't see a defined part. So I'm just using I'm using my fingers, and I'm just plucking out the part. And now onto my baby hairs. As you can see, I'm only doing the baby hairs on one side, the side where my part is. I'm not going to do baby hairs on the other side because it's going to get covered up by my side bang, and I didn't feel like wasting all that time. But I'm just going to take like a small section of hair, just enough to cover that side of the closure, cut my hair, and then curl it, and then swoop my edges. And I'm just using my gel for my edges, my black Eco Style gel. Now, just to style the hair, I decided I wanted to put some body waves in it instead of wearing it straight. So I'm just going to section my hair off to make the curling process a little bit easier. And I'm using my curling iron from Hot Tools. This is like a 1.5 inch barrel. I love this one because the barrel is extra long, which works or makes it easier to curl really long hair. But I'm just going to wrap the hair around the barrel, hold it a couple seconds, and let it go. not going to do anything fancy with this. I'm not going to spray any spray. I'm literally just wrapping and I'm going to go on about my day. If you want your curls to last a little bit longer, I highly suggest using like a holding spray because the hair is so fine they may slip. So definitely use a hairspray, but me, I don't care if I have like more of a body wave because that's kind of what I was going for. But if you want a more defined curl, definitely use hairspray. So next, I'm literally using what's left of my Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer from NYX in the color Neutral Tan. This is probably my favorite concealer because it works so well, and I'm just defining my part. And then after that, I took this little headband off, and so there was a couple of style options that I was going to go for my hair. The first was doing like this kind of tucked bang, side swoop bang deal. So that's what you see me doing right here because, you know, before I styled it how you saw earlier, I was like, oh, okay, little side swoop bang, that would be cute, which it really is. So I kind of just want to show you all this option here. I'm kind of like obsessed with side swoop bangs all over again. It's like 2005 all over again, child. Side swoop bangs were my thing, but it was super cute. But I decided not to move forward with the side swoop bang, but I just wanted to see what it looked like. So once I came to my senses, I decided to take my scissors and layer my bang in the front because I felt like that just looked a little bit better for this style than that little side swoop. So I'm just cutting some layers on the front, nothing too crazy. I did some for my bang and then some on the sides. I just take small sections of hair and I cut in a diagonal motion going away from my face. And then once I get it looking how I like, I just go through with my curling iron again. Just to curl the pieces away from my face and so that they're more defined, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is the final look for the hair, and I'm actually way more pleased with this instead of doing the side swoop. I feel like doing my hair like this made the color pop a little bit more. I don't know, this color is also just really vibrant all on its own. It didn't need no help. But just something about the waves with this hair color, it just looks super vibrant. I absolutely love it. But yeah, this hair is very, very fine and it's very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. I had no issues with tangling or shedding or anything like that. This hair is really great. Yeah, and like I said, this is a glueless wig, so I used no glue whatsoever, only gel for the side part. And I love that since this is a side part wig, especially, this is so much more easier to just like slide on and off, especially since it's glueless, like honestly. And then the hair is already styled and it holds a curl, so all I have to do is slide this wig on and off every single day and keep it moving. So yeah, and that's all we need in our lives, right? Because who has time for all that? But yeah, like I said, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.